Hi friends, I am Varun Singh and today our topic is Nutrition in Animals Part 2. There are four types of teeth: incisor, help in biting and cutting of the food; canine, help in pushing and tearing the food; premolar and molar, help in chewing and grinding the food. The food pipe or esophagus. The food pipe passes along the neck and chest. The swallowed food is pushed down by the movement of the walls of food pipe into the stomach. The stomach. It secretes digestive juices, hydrochloric acid, and mucus. Digestive juices break down proteins. Hydrochloric acid kills bacteria in the food by making the medium acidic. Mucus protects the wall of the stomach from the acid. Small intestine. It is a long coiled tube which receives secretions from liver and pancreas. Small intestine also secrete digestive juices. Liver, largest gland, secrete bile juice, which is stored in gallbladder and break down fats. Pancreas secrete pancreatic juice, which breaks down carbohydrates and proteins. The intestinal juice completes the digestion of starch into glucose, fats into fatty acid and glycerol, protein into amino acid. Absorption of digested food in the small intestine. The digested food is absorbed by the walls of small intestine called absorption. Villi, several finger-like projections having blood vessels, are present in the small intestine. It helps to increase the surface area for absorption. Assimilation. The absorbed material are carried by the blood vessels to different part of the body through assimilation. The undigested food then passes into the large intestine. The large intestine, water and some salt are absorbed in large intestine. The remaining waste then passes through the rectum and remains there as feces. Egestion, removal of all feces through the anus is called egestion. Thank you. Hope you enjoy the video. Have a nice day.